The 10 great benefits with cloud computing for your business. Organizations of all sizes can reinvent their businesses and grow faster by moving to the cloud. The move to the cloud has fundamentally changed the way we work, communicate, and interact. It is rapidly becoming a requirement to compete in today's digital environment. Understanding the fundamentals of cloud computing and how it can accelerate your digital transformation, as well as its benefits and drawbacks, is important if you are thinking of moving to cloud-based services and solutions. This article will define cloud computing, outline the benefits with cloud computing, and explain why migrating to cloud services is a good idea. What is cloud computing? A network is used to supply on-demand computing resources, such as hardware, storage, databases, networking, and software, to both corporations and individuals. This process is known as cloud computing, usually the Internet. Organizations can access and store information via cloud computing without having to manage their own physical devices or IT infrastructure. It has become more challenging for organizations to continue running their operations on in-house computing servers as the amount of data being generated and shared increases and customers expect more access to online services. Top 10 benefits with cloud computing for your enterprise security. This is the first one of the benefits with cloud computing. Contrary to what many people believe, the depth and breadth of security features, automatic maintenance, and centralized management of cloud computing can actually increase your security posture. Cost savings when you're in the cloud. Instant access to your company's data allows you to launch projects faster and more affordably. Additionally, the majority of cloud services are pay-as-you-go, alleviating concerns that users may be forced to pay for features they didn't request or didn't want. This implies that even if you don't use the advantages of the cloud, you won't have to spend money on it. The data storage needed to serve your stakeholders and customers also follows a pay-as-you-go approach, ensuring that you'll only pay for the storage you really need. These factors work together to minimize costs and increase profits. This is a great one of benefits with cloud computing. Flexibility. This is another one of benefits with cloud computing. Using the cloud gives businesses more flexibility than hosting on a local server. Plus, a cloud-based solution can quickly meet your needs for additional bandwidth instead of requiring complex and costly updates to your IT infrastructure. The overall efficiency of your organization can improve dramatically with this increased freedom and flexibility. According to an InformationWeek survey, the ability to quickly respond to business needs was cited as one of the top reasons why a company should move to the cloud, with 65% of responses. Insight. This is one of the great benefits with cloud computing. For a bird's eye view of your data, several cloud-based storage options offer built-in cloud analytics. You can quickly deploy tracking systems and create custom reports to analyze information across your entire organization when your data is stored in the cloud. You can develop action plans to achieve your organization's goals and improve efficiency with the findings. For instance, Sunny Delight, a beverage company, used cloud-based business analytics to increase earnings by about $2 million annually while reducing staff costs by $195,000. Mobility. Given that there are more than 2.6 billion smartphone users worldwide, cloud computing makes it possible for employees to access corporate data on the go via smartphones and mobile devices. Other motion. This function allows employees with busy schedules or residing far from corporate headquarters to stay in immediate contact with customers and colleagues. For a better work-life balance, you can make information easily accessible via the cloud to mobile salespeople, independent contractors, or remote workers. Therefore, it is not surprising that businesses that prioritize employee satisfaction are likely to increase their cloud usage by up to 24%. And this is also one of the best benefits with cloud computing. Enhanced cooperation. Another one of benefits with cloud computing is increasing cooperation. Give collaboration top priority if your business employs 2 or more people. After all, it is pointless to have a team that cannot work as a unit. Cloud computing makes collaboration effortless. Team members may view and communicate information quickly and securely on a cloud-based platform. Some cloud-based solutions even grant access to collaborative social spaces to all of your organization's employees, which increases interest and engagement. Collaboration may be possible without a cloud computing solution, but it will never be as easy or effective. Quality assurance. Some things are bad for company growth, like poor quality and inconsistent reporting. In a cloud-based system, all documents are stored in a single location and in the same format. The fact that cloud computing guarantees data quality is one of its many advantages. You can guarantee data consistency, avoid human error, and maintain accurate records of any changes or modifications when everyone has access to the same data. Employees can accidentally save multiple versions of documents when information is managed in silos, which can lead to data confusion and clutter. Competitive advantage. Even as cloud computing becomes more and more popular, some people still want localization. They can choose to do that, but doing so puts them at a significant disadvantage when competing with others who have access to the advantages of the cloud. Before your competitors catch up, if you adopt a cloud-based solution first, you'll be further down the learning curve. According to a recent Verizon study, 77% of companies believe that cloud computing gives them a competitive advantage, and 16% think this advantage is significant. This is also the best one of the benefits with cloud computing. Auto-updating software. Nothing is more annoying for people with a lot to do than having to wait for system upgrades to be installed. Instead of requiring an IT personnel to manually update the entire firm, cloud-based applications automatically refresh and update themselves. This helps to reduce the time and money wasted on outside IT consulting by IT professionals. According to PC World, 50% of cloud consumers identified using fewer internal IT resources as a benefit of the cloud. Emergency recovery control is one of the factors that go into the success of a business. Unfortunately, there will always be factors beyond your organization's control when it comes to its own operations, and in today's market, even a bit of useless downtime can have a marked negative effect. Your service downtime results in lost output, money, and brand reputation. There are several things you can do to accelerate your recovery. Although there may be no way for you to prevent or even foresee disasters that are likely to affect your organization. The benefits with cloud computing provide quick data recovery in all types of emergencies, including power outages and natural disasters. Only 9% of non-cloud users can make a similar claim, while 20% of cloud users claim disaster recovery in 4 hours or less. 43% of IT leaders who recently responded to a study said they plan to invest in or improve cloud-based disaster recovery solutions. Sustainability. By powering virtual services rather than physical goods and hardware, cloud infrastructure supports environmental proactiveness by reducing paper waste, increasing energy efficiency, and, provided it allows employees to access it from anywhere with an internet connection, reducing emissions associated with commuting. According to analysis by Pike Research, the use of cloud computing and other virtual data alternatives will reduce data center energy consumption by 45% between 2020 and 2021.